Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, we're diving into the all-new OPPO A97 5G 2025, a phone that's redefining what mid-range power really means. OPPO has once again proven that innovation doesn't always come with a premium price tag. From performance to design, this smartphone is crafted to impress and built to deliver an exceptional user experience. Let's explore why the OPPO A97 5G might just be one of the best value smartphones of the year. Starting with the design, the OPPO A97 5G brings a premium look that's both sleek and futuristic. It features a stunning gradient matte finish on the back that doesn't attract fingerprints and feels smooth to hold. The edges are curved perfectly for a comfortable grip, and the ultra-slim 7.9mm profile makes it stylish and easy to handle. The camera module at the back looks bold and elegant, giving off the vibe of a much more expensive flagship device. The phone comes in several colors including starry black and dreamy blue, both of which shimmer beautifully under light. On the front, OPPO has packed in a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything from gaming to scrolling through social media incredibly smooth. The colors are vivid, the contrast is deep, and the brightness peaks high enough to stay clearly visible even under sunlight. Watching videos, streaming content, or playing games on this screen feels immersive and premium. Under the hood, the OPPO A97 5G 2025 is powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, built for balanced performance and power efficiency. Coupled with 12GB of RAM, expandable up to 20GB through virtual RAM, and 256GB of internal storage, this phone handles multitasking like a champ. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps, performance remains smooth and lag-free. The 5G connectivity adds a whole new level of speed for downloads, streaming, and online gaming, giving you blazing fast performance wherever you go. When it comes to photography, the OPPO A97 5G delivers beyond expectations. It sports a dual-camera setup featuring a 64MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor, ensuring crisp, detailed, and colorful shots in every lighting condition. The AI-powered image processing enhances clarity and sharpness automatically, while the night mode captures bright and noise-free pictures in low light. The front camera is a 32MP sensor that produces sharp and natural selfies, perfect for social media and vlogs. The portrait mode beautifully blurs the background, giving a DSLR-like effect. The phone also supports 1080p video recording with solid stabilization, making it a great tool for vloggers and creators. Battery life is another strong point of the OPPO A97 5G. It packs a powerful 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day even with heavy use. With OPPO A97 SuperVOOC fast charging, you can charge from 0% to 100% in just around 40 minutes. That's incredibly convenient for users on the go who don't want to wait around for their phone to charge. The smart battery management system ensures the phone stays cool while charging and extends battery health over time. The software experience is equally impressive, running on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14. The interface is clean, modern, and loaded with customization features. It offers smoother animations, enhanced privacy tools, and a smart always-on display that gives quick access to important info without unlocking the phone. Gesture navigation and multitasking features make the user experience more fluid and enjoyable. In terms of audio and multimedia, the OPPO A97 5G delivers stereo speakers powered by Dirac sound technology. The audio output is loud, crisp, and immersive, perfect for watching movies or listening to music without headphones. Overall, the OPPO A97 5G 2025 stands out as a beautifully designed, performance-packed smartphone that delivers flagship-like features at an affordable price. With its stunning display, solid camera setup, strong battery life, and lightning-fast charging, this phone easily competes with devices that cost far more. For users who want power, elegance, and 5G speed in one package, the OPPO A97 5G is a perfect choice and a true value-for-money device. So, if you're looking for a mid-range smartphone that looks premium, performs like a pro, and charges faster than ever, the OPPO A97 5G is the one to go for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more detailed and honest reviews of the latest smartphones.